Hello everyone. Our today's topic is about First Hop Redundancy Protocol. Okay, in our last video we have discussed about routing, we have discussed about router ID, and we have discussed about so many things. But today's topic is about First Hop Redundancy Protocol, FHRP. So in this video we have to describe the purpose of First Hop Redundancy. So what is the meaning of First Hop Redundancy Protocol? So the meaning of this is, like for example, we have one switched network, and we all know that all the switches, all the PCs are directly connected with switch, and they all have one default gateway which is assigned to router's fast Ethernet port or Giga Ethernet port. Okay, and for example, this router is connected with another router, and this router is connected with internet service provider or cloud part. Okay, so these PCs can ping with ISP with the help of this path. But for example, suppose this path goes down. For example, there is problem in switch port or router port, or in their problem in cable. So these PCs are not able to connect with ISP because we have only one network here. Okay, so the solution of this, we can put another router here as a gateway, F0 by 1. Okay, and we can connect with this also. But the problem is, on our PC I can put only one default gateway. So this gateway can be this, or it can be this. For example, two PCs have gateway this, two PCs have gateway this. For example, this router goes down, then these two PCs are not able to connect with ISP through this router automatically. So in the concept of First Hop Redundancy Protocol, if we have these types of design, like this one, and this is connected with ISP, then what we can do, we can put here virtual IP here, and we will provide virtual IP as a gateway to the LAN devices, and we will put that virtual IP on physical interface of their gateway. Like we will put some commands and we will provide virtual IP to this. Now the benefit of First Hop Redundancy Protocol is that, for example, if one router goes down, then these switch or this network automatically switch their all the processes from another router. And the example of FHRP is Hot Standby Routing Protocol, Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol, Gateway Load Balancing Protocol. With the help of these high availability or First Hop Redundancy protocols, we can transfer all the database if my one link goes down to another interface. So it will save us time. So this is all about First Hop Redundancy Protocol. Thank you so much.